Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to decorate on a dime every time. So in this lesson, we will be turning one of my button-down tops, which I am no longer wearing because it has a little rip on the sleeve. We'll be turning that into a, let's see. I have the top here all ready to be carved up into something lovely. And I have pressed out all the creases. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and start drawing my lines where I want to cut. And I'm going to put my straight edge from shoulder to shoulder over here. Now I am just going to button the top button here just to make sure that all the buttons line up nicely at the end of the project. Okay, right. So I'm going to draw a line from the edge of the shoulder here to the other side. I'm going to use my tailor's chalk. And yeah, if we're going to transform this into something lovely, then we have to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut across on the line that I just drew. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is I want to cut a line down here. So in order to know where the line ends, I'm going to have to go ahead and measure. What I'm going to do now is, because there is an area here that comes in closer than the shoulder here, I'm going to use this area right here, and I am going to measure across. And this is actually 7 3/4. So what I'll do is take this measurement and transfer it down at the bottom here, and I'll mark off where 7 3/4 is, and that would be the same for this side. So I'll go ahead and mark off 7 3/4. Now my next step is to draw my straight line from the top here. So I line up the straight edge from the area where I just measured across, and then right on my line at the bottom, and I will draw my line. Now before I do the other side, I'll just go ahead and cut this off. I'll do the same thing on this side. I will draw my line. There we go. And cut. I want a total length of 16 inches when I am done. So I will have to cut down this end. However, I'm going to allow for a 1/2 inch for the seam allowance here, and then 1/2 inch here. So I will cut at 17 inches. draw a line across. We turned an old blouse into a pillow. That was easy peasy, wasn't it? And check this out. Look at the detail here on the pillow. The tuck down the side here. Yeah, guys, this is how easy you can whip up some pillows in no time. So when you're in the thrift stores or you pass a garage sale, even if you don't want to wear that top, that button down top, you can buy yourself the tops and use them for pillows, because you don't have to stitch the buttons on, you don't have to make the buttonhole. All you have to do is cut and stitch. Guys, please drop in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Do you like this idea? Are you gonna try this idea? Do you have any old tops that you're thinking that you might use to make some pillows? Also, share and like. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you never miss out on any decorating tips that could help you to decorate on a dime every time. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. You take care now. I will see you in the next video.